Cha-ching! Hey everybody, I hope you had a great day. I'm not going to hit too hard on economic data. We can find that information elsewhere, but I just want to say bad job data is good. It's bullish. If you've been listening to Pal, bad job data is bullish. So keep that in mind. I was bullish coming in out the gate. We're up all after hours, and we came in strong right here in the first 5-10 minutes, 5 minutes really. But I let this play out. We're in between fib levels here. I'm not going to take a major position here. A lot of people, they hear that bell and they just want to go. I'm going to wait. And honestly, my first trade of the day was my worst trade of the day. However, I ended up positive. And that's due to setting the proper stop losses and not freaking out. So my first trade, I took at this candle here. I figured we had a lot of support. We continued to fall. We did hit this fib and we bounced hard. So my stop was about uh, halfway down. There's another fib level under here. My stop was halfway down, so I didn't even have to freak out. I knew where it was, and we bounced hard. So this was the recovery. Took another couple candles here. We started to fade, and then here's where I got out. I was happy to get back the 4 or 500, and I ended up profiting 40. I could have done more like 80 or 100 if I would have got out quicker. So this was the first trade. Second trade, we are buying 30 contracts. The first one was 20, the second one's 30. And I got in here and we're above all resistance. So we are free to take off, right? And we have a lot of support now here. So I took a position at the end of this candle. Boom, we shot up past the fib level, didn't bounce at all. Um, then I waited, let's say four more minutes. This shot up, and I sold most of the position. I think 27 shares at the top of this candle. So I want to point this out. You don't have to be in these trades all day long. If you're going to day trade, if you're going to scalp, I waited this long to make $40. I waited 4 minutes, five maybe, and I made this was $625. So we remained flat. We didn't have a lot of volume right here. It was decent volume, but we're flat right here, slightly higher. So we're kind of a mixed bag. This one shot up in the middle of this wick. So I sold the last two or three for 60. And it's a good thing that I did, because if you see here, we have a fib level. I could have waited to the fib level, probably made 100, 200 more, but I chose to just get out and see what happened at this level, which I'm glad I did, because this is where a lot of people wait and they wait and they wait and they don't know what to do. So I call this a pressure bubble. So if you see that your wicks are constantly and your candles are constantly hitting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, chances are this pressure bubble is going to burst. And I posted that. I commented on Weeble, pressure bubble about to burst, and that's exactly when I got in here. And if this doesn't work out, because sometimes it's not going to work out, you have support here, 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 and your fib here. But you can get out on the first support. You don't have to wait and lose all your money by going down here and here and here. You just get in here, you say, we're going to go a leg up or we're not, and then you can get out here and play again, right? So, got in here, great timing, got all the way through, let's see, green, 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 all the way up, and sold for sold part of it for 120, waited for another leg up, and then I sold the rest for, let's see, sorry guys, I didn't put the amount right there. But here, I have runners, okay? So now I don't care, and this is why it's important to get multiple contracts instead of just getting one or getting 10 and holding on all day. Learn to get rid of them as you profit. All right. So now I have runners. I don't care if I lose 150 or $200, because the way the day is going, I could make a lot more. So losing, 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 don't care. Now I see leg up, another leg up. Now we're running and we got to the fib, so now I'm out. Okay. Um, Now this is my last position. So these were all my runners. I'm done for the day. I profited. I was at 1,000 right here, and this was just a $26 or a $34 nothing burger. This was just to right here. This was just to say, hey, I'm gonna take a lottery for 34. I don't care if we the way the day is going, we could go up another $2. We ended up not, so I just let that expire worthless, and we were sideways the rest of the day. So hope that helps, ninjas. If you like this video, please like it and sub, and then let me know what you think on Weeble and YouTube, and we'll keep these videos going. All right? Thanks, and take care.